So for this one, it says we have two functions. We have f of x, which is the square root of x squared plus 12x plus 36, times the quantity g of x, which is x cubed minus 12. Now, before I get started, basically I'm just going to take f of x and multiply it by g of x. But one thing that I noticed is we have a perfect square. F of x, whenever we do these things, we should always do prime factorization. Odds are there's probably something that we could reduce or pull out or factor. But I'm not sure if you recognize this pattern or not. But there is a pattern, and the pattern is this. If I say a plus b squared, well, that's equal to a squared plus 2 times ab plus b squared. So when I look at this f of x thing, when I look at f of x, that pattern is here. In other words, if I let a be x and b be positive 6, then I'll get x squared plus 2 times 6, right? In other words, a equals x, b equals, I went a little bonkers there. B equals 6, and then 2 times 6, because it's 2 times a times b, is 12x, and then plus 6 squared is plus 36, okay? So in other words, x plus 6 times x plus 6 is equal to x squared. 6 times x is 6x plus another 6x plus 36. So what that lets me do then is I can say that x squared plus 12x plus 36 is the same as the square root of x plus 6 squared. Well, when I take the square root of a square, f of x is equal to x plus 6. And then g of x, there's really nothing that I can reduce. I mean, I can, but I could do some factoring, I suppose, but I'm just going to leave it like that. So when I say I want to do f of x times g of x, because that's what they're asking us to do here, I'm simply going to multiply them out. So I'm going to say x plus 6 times the quantity x cubed minus 12. So again, I can employ the grid method. I'm just going to take my grid, multiply it out, and just say x plus 6 here times the quantity x cubed minus 12 here. So x times x cubed is x to the 4th. X cubed times a positive 6 is a positive 6x cubed. X times negative 12 is a negative 12x. And then negative 12 times a positive 6 is a negative 72. So then our final answer, f of x times g of x, is actually quite simple. It's just going to be x to the 4th power plus 6x cubed minus 12x minus 72. And then that's it on that one.